A man never suck your pussy and drink your juice for you.
No.
Me don't want to drink your juice for you.
You serious?
So when me can see you?
You can't tell me come live with a boyfriend.
Your boyfriend never suck your pussy back here for you?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
I don't like where this is going.
He can suck it better on me?
Yeah.
I like your blood clot. Never give you done it?
No.
Wait, what the hell are you talking about?
Okay. So you're saying you suck your pussy sweet on for me though?
Mm.
Brina,
Yeah.
me a call her back tomorrow. I mean, I want to suck off of the sweet tight pussy that you have. Remember me tell her.
Okay.
And where the blood clot this? And where the blood clot this?
I want to suck your pussy in your skirt and drink it.
No.
What you say?
No.
I want to suck your pussy and drink your juice for you.
No.
No, I want to drink your juice for you.
Okay.
Can I?
Okay.
Can I?
Cool. Okay.
Can I?
Okay.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Me say me ask if me can drink your pussy juice and you come.
Yeah.
Me make your skirt. Me can drink your pussy juice for you.
Yes.
We don't do that here.
You sit your fucking ass down now and eat my pussy.
Alright, mama.
Okay.
Tomorrow, yeah?
Okay.
Alright, my darling. I love you so much. You have a good night, yeah, baby?
Okay.